Today here I am Anurag Pathak, a student of Vikas Vidyalaya Dumri Begusarai. I am here to represent my topic, our Earth. So let's start. Our Earth. First, structure of Earth. Earth is divided into four surface layers. First, crust, which is extend from 5 to 70 km. Second, mantle, which is 2900 km extended, and it is the thickest layer of the Earth. It is mainly consist of molten magma. Second, outer core and inner core. Core is divided into two parts, which is outer core or inner core. The total thickness of the both layers is 2400 km. It is mainly consist of iron and nickel. Now, continents and ocean. Earth is divided into 7 continents and 5 major oceans. The 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with the water. Now, continents of Earth. First, North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia. Oceans, Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern or Antarctic Ocean, Indian Ocean. The largest ocean is Pacific Ocean and the smallest ocean is Arctic Ocean. The largest continent is Asia and the smallest continent is Australia. Now, Earth is divided into 7 major and 7 minor tectonic plates. Due to the movement on these plates, the earthquake is occurred. These movements are occurred due to landslide, volcanic eruption, and etc. Now, the layer of atmosphere. The atmosphere is divided into 5 layers: troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere. The thickness of troposphere is 0 to 12 km from the Earth's surface. Now, stratosphere, it is the second layer of the atmosphere which extends 12 to 50 km. Mesosphere, which extends 50 to 80 km. Thermosphere, 80 to 700 km, and thermosphere is the hottest layer of the atmosphere. Now, exosphere, it is the last layer of the atmosphere which extends from 700 km to 10,000 km. Now, Earth's rotation and revolution. The Earth's involved in two movement of rotation and revolution. First, rotation. Rotation, when Earth move on its axis, is known as rotation. The Earth complete one rotation is 24 hours and 56 minutes 4 seconds. Due to rotation, the change in day and night is occur. Now, revolution. The Earth takes 365 days and 6 hours to complete one revolution. Due to the revolution, the season change occurred on the Earth. Now, biosphere. Biosphere is composed of atmosphere, lithosphere, and hydrosphere. First, atmosphere. Atmosphere is a thick blanket of air covered the Earth. Now, hydrosphere. Hydro means water, which is consist of water bodies on the Earth is known as hydrosphere. Lithosphere. Litho means rock, and the consistment of rocks is known as lithosphere. After that, biosphere is composed by these 3 elements and form. Now, thank you. I hope you enjoyed and liked.